Welcome to Cisco Packet Tracer tutorial number 11. Today I'll be troubleshooting a wireless connection. So in this scenario, a small business owner learns a wireless user is not able to access the network. All of the PCs are configured with static IP addressing. So what I'm going to do is identify and I'm going to resolve the issue. So first what I'll do is verify connectivity. I'm going to go into each PC, go into the web browser and see if it'll connect to the web server. So I'll start with PC4, go to desktop, web browser, type in ciscolearn.more.com, hit enter. And it connects to the web server okay, so I'll go down to the next one, go to desktop, web browser, type in ciscolearn.more.com, and that one connects as well. Go down to PC2, desktop, web browser, ciscolearn.more.com, and that one connects. Go down to PC1, which as you can see is the wireless PC. Go to desktop, web browser, ciscolearn.more.com. And so that one doesn't connect. So now what we'll have to do is examine the IP configuration of the PCs. So this one that's unable to connect, I'll just X out of that, go to the command prompt, type in ipconfig/all. And what I'm looking for here is the IP address 192.168.1.101. And I'm just making sure that it has the IP address, and I'll X out of that. And now I'm going to examine the wireless settings on the wireless client. So on the PC that's not able to connect, I'll go back to PC1. I'm going to click on the wireless tab, and I'm going to look for the SSID. So right now at this point we're trying to troubleshoot and figure out what the issue is. So I'm going to go into Profiles, I'll go into Edit, Advanced Setup, and I'm looking here and the SSID is set at default. So now I'll examine the wireless settings on this device. So I'm going to X out of there, go to Links this device, go to GUI, and now I'm going to check out the basic setup. And I'm looking to see if DHCP is disabled because they were configured statically. So now I'm going to go over to wireless and see here the SSID is set at Academy. The other one was set at default, so we'll have to go back and change that. I'm going to also go over to wireless security. I'm going to look at the key. So the key is ABC123DE45. So we'll X out of that, go back to PC1, go to wireless. I'm going to go back into Profiles, Edit, Advanced Setup. Okay, so now the SSID is at Academy, which is where we want it. So I'll go to Config, go to Wireless, and the SSID Academy, which is right. And now the key says ABD1235, and if, as you remember, on the Linksys router, the key was ABC. So that's where our error is. So I'll change that. I'm going to X out of that, and now we'll go back into PC1 and see the connection is made to the router from the PC. So I'll go to desktop, web browser, type in ciscolearn.more.com, and it connects. So we have successfully troubleshooted the wireless device.